Hello everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of exercise 9.3, page number 162, question number 14. In the given figure, AP is parallel to BQ is parallel to CR. That means three of these line segments are parallel to each other. We have to prove that the area of triangle AQC, this one is equal to the area of triangle PBR, this one. So first of all, we are going to take the quadrilateral APQB. Now in the quadrilateral APBQ, in this one AP is parallel to BQ, this one we have. Now the triangle ABQ and the triangle PBQ are the two triangles and on the same base. They are having same base. The base is BQ, and between same parallel lines, that is AP is parallel to BQ. Now if the two triangles lies on the same base and between the same parallel lines, then the area of the two triangles are equal to each other. So we are going to write here. So area of triangle ABQ is equal to the area of triangle PBQ. Now this is the equation number 1. Now we are going to take the another quadrilateral, this time the quadrilateral BQRC, this one. Now in this quadrilateral BQ is parallel to CR, this one is given. Now we are going to take the triangle BQC and the triangle BQR. Now they are on the same base CR and between same parallel lines BQ and CR. Now, so the area of triangle BQC is equal to the area of triangle BQR. So this is the equation number 2 we are having. Now we are going to add the equation number 1 and the equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Now we are adding the equation 1 and 2. If we add them, then the area of triangle APQ plus area of triangle BQC, area of triangle PBQ plus area of triangle BQR. Now if we are going to add ABQ, now ABQ plus BQC, this is the ABQ and BQC. If we are going to add them, then this will become triangle AQC, this one. So area of triangle AQC is equal to the now PBQ and BQR. So this triangle. So this is equal to the area of triangle PBR. So this one we have to prove. We have proved it. With this one we have completed the question number 14. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 15.